my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I think we're close enough.
So it's the day of the Cube Comp. We're pretty excited.
Yeah.
How many people do we want?
At least 10 we're hoping for. I mean, it'll raise a bit of money, but we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, 10 would be good. Yeah, cool. So hopefully it goes well.
Yeah.
Got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored. Hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? You got me losing every breath. What did you give me to make my heart beat out? Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go again.
This is the favourite, guys. The favourite. Can he do it?
Russia is killing me. You've got 10 seconds.
So the Cube Comp's all over, guys. We raised a total of $100, which is fantastic. Everyone had a good time, and yeah, it was pretty good.
Yeah. Andre won. So congrats to Andre, and also thanks to everyone for coming down. Like, it was really good fun, and thanks for supporting the cause.
Yeah, so now we're going to work out what we're going to actually do with the money.
I think we're close enough. 'Cause I lock in your arms, baby. I've got you in my space. I won't let go again. I'm too shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on you. Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go again. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on you. And I'm latching on you. No, I won't let go. I will not let go.
Okay, so we spent all the $100 buying a heap of cans, as you can see in the shopping cart. Hopefully that helps promote us in every way it can, and we'll be handing those into the office.
Friday.
Yeah.
Hey guys, the cans are at school now. As you can see, we've got so many cans, so it's pretty good.
Good spending of $100. So now what happens is these will go with the Tinnies for Vinnies people, and they will then be distributed to those that need a helping hand every now and then.
Yeah, so if you want to get involved, you can do heaps of stuff. Donate to the St. Vincent de Paul, like Tinnies for Vinnies campaign, the Winter Appeal, donate money, so many other things. There's lots of other organisations. We'll definitely have links to those.
So yeah, stay tuned for more. That's good timing.
I wanna go,